So this is the QLSKI propeller cover, and this is for the DJI MINI 4K. It also fits the Mini 2 and the Mini SE. As always, please do subscribe to the channel. So essentially this propeller cover is designed so you can put the drone in your pocket and not worry about the propellers moving around, flapping around in your pocket and getting damaged. The cover itself fits on the bottom of the drone next to the gimbal, and it holds the props loosely in place. This neoprene strap moves across the top of the drone then, and you can see there that the top propellers are still actually loose. They're not being bent or held in place too tightly, but it provides a really neat solution for you to be able to pop that drone in your pocket and not worry about the propellers being damaged. Removal is just as easy. Just take the neoprene strap off and it's as simple as that.